Hello everyone, we are Team LOLgorithm and our project addresses PS03 Autonomous Developer Onboarding Agent under the Agentic AI track. In many software organizations, developer onboarding is manual and time consuming. New hires must gain access to multiple tools, understand internal documentation, and learn company processes, which delays productivity and requires constant monitoring. To address this, we built an AI powered autonomous developer onboarding agent that guides developers through a personalized onboarding workflow, answers questions using company documentation, track onboarding tasks, and automatically notifies HR once onboarding is completed.
Okay, so I'll quickly just walk you through the system architecture and overall flow. Our system consists of a React chat interface which is connected to a fast API backend. At the core of the backend is an orchestrator, which is a sort of a planner which routes each and every user request to different modules. The first module is persona detection. Now, say the user writes their first message. At that point, the agent should extract what role they are joining as. So this module is dedicated to determine the developer's role and experience level. Based on this persona, the system should generate a role-specific onboarding checklist, which is based on the company's documentation. This is tier 2 of the 3-axis pattern. The system also includes an RAG knowledge assistant powered by an LLM, embeddings for the company documentation, and a vector database to store those embeddings. This module is used to retrieve relevant company documentation and generates answers using the LLM and orchestration through LangChain, so as to minimize hallucinations and provide accurate answers. Finally, once all tasks have been marked completed and the onboarding is done, the system generates an automatic HR onboarding completion report, which covers the third tier of the 3-axis pattern. This report summarizes the entire process with a confidence score based on the user's performance of all tasks. Now, let's see the system in action.
I'll walk you through a quick demo of our autonomous developer onboarding agent. As you can see, the interface is divided into two main sections. On the left, we have a chat-based onboarding assistant where the developer can interact with the AI agent. On the right side, we have a dynamic onboarding checklist that would track the task progress in real time. I'll start with a simple hi message. Now the system tries to detect the developer's role automatically. Since it cannot determine the role yet, it would ask for more information about the developer's experience and tech stack. Now I'll enter my role. Now as you can see, the agent analyzes the input and would detect my developer persona. Now based upon this role, it would generate a personalized onboarding checklist that would tailored for a junior backend engineer. Now the agent provides the first onboarding tasks such as receiving and setting up the company laptop, activating the Novabyte Google Workspace account, and setting up Slack and joining the mandatory channels. Now these tasks would also appear on the checklist panel on the right where the progress is tracked visually. Now while completing the task, the developer can ask technical questions directly to the onboarding agent. Let's say, now here the agent would retrieve the information from the development setup documentation and provides the correct setup such as installing the Node.js using NVM, then installing the PNPM and cloning the repository and then running the service locally. Now if developer asks the questions that is not present in the knowledge base, then the system avoids hallucination. Let's say, now as you can see, the agent responds that it does not have the information available, ensuring trustworthy responses. When the task is complete, the developer simply notifies the agent. That is, let's say I type done. Now here the system would automatically mask that particular task as completed. On the right side panel, we can also see that the task is checked and struck through. The next task is then highlighted and then the progress bar would automatically update. Continues to perform the next steps, and after all the onboarding tasks are completed, the system automatically sends a structured completion summary to HR. In the backend terminal, we can see the generated email containing the employee name, role and team, the entire completed checklist items and the timestamp of completion. This ensures that the HR has full visibility into the onboarding process.
To conclude, the Autonomous Developer Onboarding Agent demonstrates how AI can simplify and streamline the developer onboarding process. The platform tracks onboarding progress through a checklist and generates a completion summary at the end of the process. In the current prototype, the onboarding completion email is displayed in the terminal for demonstration purposes. In the future implementation, this can be extended to send real-time emails via SMTP along with deeper integration with tools like Jira for automatic task assignment and Slack for automated team notifications. These enhancements would enable a fully automated onboarding ecosystem that connects developers, managers, and the HR teams seamlessly. Thank you for watching our demonstration.